Okay, so I was using the e-bike the other day, and basically the bike consists of 9 of these Lipo batteries. There's 3 series and 3 parallel stacks, so there's 9 of them. I was going up the road and I noticed a sudden drop of about 9 volts voltage drop going up a steep hill, and I was like, yeah, that's not good. So I took the battery out of the bike, separated everything, then checked these packs individually. This one was the weakest out of all of them. It was 0.2 volts down on the others, and as you can see, it's gone all puffy, or it's just started to go puffy. It's not very obvious. It's very, well, it is obvious, but it's not like majorly bloated up like you see them. Sometimes it appears to be the top cell and the bottom cell have both done it. The top's this cell more than this bottom one here. The others look fine, but it might just be because they're under pressure of the 2 cells, stopping them from puffing. I don't know. Anyway, it appears that is our problem. I think these batteries are all going to go south pretty quickly because all done the same amount of work. They're about 1.5 years old, maybe even 2 years old. Don't keep track of time very easily. They've been used quite a lot. It's a pretty powerful e-bike. It originally had a Crystal Lake TC100 in it. It had a top speed of well over 60 miles per hour. So it went like a bat out of hell. And these batteries have been pushed hard. They are the Turnigy 8 amp hour, so they're an 8 amp hour Lipo. They're 10C, so that's 80 amps per battery. In theory, being safe. 10C, yeah. I think a lot of these ratings are a bit of a lie, to be honest, with these RC car batteries and RC batteries in general. 10 times capacity does seem like a hell of a lot for something like this. I think if it was run at less, then it would be a lot, much, it would last longer, which it has, I think, compared to what it would be. If I was running this in a drone, I think it would have been used up long ago, but because it's not been hammered constantly, I think it's lasted a bit longer, although it's still pushed pretty hard, and Lipos have a short life anyway. So let us know how long your Lipos have lasted. This has been used quite a lot, for the past year, 2 years, something like that. It's over 1.5 years old, I know that much. Anyway, that concludes this video. See you later. RIP Lithium 6 Lipo 6S. I maybe save some cells out of it, we'll see.